Section 1983 of Title 42 of the United States Code imposes liability on every person who violates a citizen's federal rights under color of law. In Monell v. Department of Social Services, the United States Supreme Court held that person includes local governments, reversing an earlier holding. Therefore, municipalities no longer had absolute immunity from liability. In Owen v. City of Independence, the court considered whether municipalities retained limited immunity. George Owen was the police chief for the City of Independence. Owen was fired after an investigation into irregularities in the administration of the police department's property room. The investigation found no evidence of criminal activity, but concluded that the department's records were inadequate. The local press connected Owen's firing to the investigation. The City Council referred the investigative report for presentation to a grand jury, which declined to indict. The city didn't give a reason for firing Owen. Owen demanded written notice of any allegations against him and a public hearing to address them, but received no response. The city denied his request to appeal his termination. Owen sued the city manager, and city council. He alleged that the city infringed his due process rights by denying him a hearing to clear his name in violation of Section 1983. After a bench trial, the district court ruled for all the defendants. The Eighth Circuit affirmed, holding that Owen's rights had been violated, but that both the city and the individual defendants had qualified immunity because the city officials had acted in good faith. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.